Hi everyone! Today, we will learn how to set your Allegro electric bike to legal speed in the UK. We will also apply the best Allegro settings. Stay with me until the end. I will show all the important tips and precise adjustments. Allegro electric bike. Overview. This bike is one of Allegro's powerful models. It has a dual-mode motor, 250-watt mode for legal UK use, 750-watt mode for private routes and full power. It comes with a 48-volt, 60-amp-hour battery. The rear hub motor provides a balanced mix of acceleration and stability. The LCD display shows speed, battery level, pedal assist level, and distance traveled. Why? Power on and real speed test. First, make sure the battery is connected. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the LCD. Adjust the pedal assist using the up and down buttons. Now, let's test the real speed. In 250-watt mode, the bike reaches 5 to 15 miles per hour, perfect for city rides. In 750-watt mode, the speed goes up to 40 miles per hour. The motor is very powerful. But for public roads, we need to reduce the speed. If you've enjoyed the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episodes. Reducing speed in 750-watt mode and best settings. Now, let's reduce the speed for UK legal roads and apply the best Allegro settings. Press and hold the setting button for 5 seconds. Enter the default password, 2023. Adjust the settings. Max speed, 30 miles per hour. Wheel size, smaller to reduce speed. Voltage system, 36 for lower speed. Adjust the other options as shown for best performance. Let's check the speed after our adjustments. It is set to 30 miles per hour and does not go higher. Set the max speed to the UK legal speed of 15 miles per hour. All done. Your Allegro electric bike is now fully legal for public roads, while still smooth to ride. Before we finish, here are a few essential maintenance tips. Check tire pressure weekly. Oil the chain every 2 weeks. Tighten key bolts, especially the rear wheel and frame. Disconnect the charger after full charge to prolong battery life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To watch upcoming videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell.